Alright, so Tony's on his way over. We're gonna dig this out just a little more on this side. That's my repair, one coupler, new piece of pipe. We hit it right here. And then I cut this and we added another coupler. So all I gotta do is get that pipe into here. But I don't have enough flexibility in the pipe without kinking it. So Tony's gonna dig this out real quick. And while he's doing that, I'm standing on where my transformer is gonna be for my house. So that's the service line to the house, meter. Did a nice white brick, full zip system. All copper accents all the way around. Tony's gonna hit me with the excavator probably. I like to stand close to him so that he slows down. See if I can zoom out a little bit. I always say if you can't touch it, you're not close enough. It's all frozen. There's probably about 9 or 10 inches of just solid earth here. And then I'll get into the easy digging. Yesterday was 1 degree. That was a real pleasure. But ran a total of 2,300 feet of gas line, 800 feet the gas company did, and 1,300 feet, or no, 1,500 feet I did. And then 2,300 feet of electric is what we're trenching right now. So this trench goes all the way to the road, but it connects here to the transformer and then over to the house. And remember, if you can't touch it, you're not close enough. That's what they teach you in school. Keep going down. 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 That's good. So this is about a $700 mistake yesterday to hit this gas line. The fittings are like 230 bucks a piece. Then I had to buy a 150-foot roll because they don't sell it. Down, 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 right there. They don't sell it by the foot. So I have 148 feet that I'll be putting on Facebook Marketplace. And hopefully someone will buy it. I'll sell it real cheap. Keep coming, keep coming. Come on, come on. Coming, down. Stop. That way. Whoops, that way. Good. That should be good. I can shovel that out. And then I'll have the slack I need to pop that coupler on.
Dig it by hand.
Yeah, I will. You want to say something to the audience?
No.
No? All right.
I'm coming out there to watch you.
I know. All right, thanks for watching.